One of the things we wanted to bring to your attention about safety is the possibility of making a Stop the Bleed kit for you and your family at home. One of the good things that you could do for your family to keep them safe in the event of an injury is to get a tourniquet for your family and learn how to do Stop the Bleed. A tourniquet, if you look online, look for a CAT, which would be a combat approved tourniquet, to find one that will work for you and your family. Some of the things that you might need a tourniquet for would be any injuries, whether you're boating, out in an RV camping, or even if you're a farm family doing work around the home. There's a lot of times that just simply putting pressure on and stopping an active bleed could save a life. So if you and your family build one of these kits at home, you have the potential of saving yourself, a neighbor, or somebody that you come across driving down the road. Any red bag would do, and it's a good idea to find a little red bag that you could put in your trunk or your tractors just so it's easy identifiable and you can find it in case of an emergency. So by purchasing a few simple ingredients to make a Stop the Bleed kit, you and your family could stay safe and save a life.